Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Creative Outlier Air with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on the keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Right here you need to click at the Add device and then select Bluetooth. After that, you open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then you press and hold at your left earbud until this LED light flashed blue and red. Here we go, and now we can see it at the device list, so just click on it and then click Done. After that, it should ask to pair right earbud right here. Oh, you can see it. So, at the right bottom, you will see a notification. You click on it, and then you will see this menu. Click Allow.